I'm one of Nadine's closest friend and classmate. Nadine was more of a classmate. She's more than a classmate to us. She's more than a friend. To us, she is family. She's a gem, and no words are adequate enough to describe how precious she is to us. To be honest, Nadine was a very, very quiet kid. Super tahimik lang po niya, but once you get to know her, makulit. Lalabas po yung kulit niya only to the people where she is comfortable being with. And I think that's one of the most amazing things about her. She knows when and who to open up to because she knows that not everybody would understand things. Normally, Nadine and I would deliver speeches on school together, and never did I imagine that this day will come. That I will be delivering a speech for her on her grave. To us, Nadine never failed to show the 5 different love languages. Lagi niyo po kami binibigyan ng gifts. She always messages us, making sure that we're okay, that we're happy, and we're together. It's just so saddening that when we needed saving, she was there. When she needed saving, it felt like we all had our shortcomings to her as a friend. And now that this day has come, I'm quite sure that all of our professors, all of our classmates, our closest friends, we're so proud of you, Nats, no matter what happened. You will always be that classmate of us that always shows her 100% at everything. May it be at events, studies, even just being with us, she always gives us her 100%. Nads, hindi ito yung bonding na gusto namin. You brought us together once again. But don't worry, everything's fine now. And I hope wherever you are right now, please be the happiest. Run to the heart of to the content of your heart. I will always remember the full of life and happy living. I will always use the blush that you've given me to make me more confident. The mug that you gave me every time that I will be drinking my coffee to remind me that you are there ready to listen. And Jazz, La, Joe, me, and all of our classmates will always be praying for your peace. Rest in paradise, our sweetest and most precious Nadine.